Welcome to PrimePay. Learn how to easily make a bulk NPSB payment as a transaction maker through this tutorial. First, log into PrimePay and from the menu, select NPSB Payment and then choose the Make Activities option. From the NPSB Payment dashboard, select the NPSB Data Upload option. Click here to download NPSB sample format and download the system-prescribed format. Fill in the required information as per the downloaded format and save the file. Then click on the Choose File option. Select your saved NPSB file and upload it. Select the account from which you want to make the payment. Next, select the checker for your transaction. Then select the authorizer for your transaction. Once all the information is confirmed, select Create Batch, click OK and complete your transaction. This is how you can easily make the bulk NPSB transactions through PrimePay.